So it's raining out here. These old boards are getting new life. Taking the old nails out, flipping them over. You see a new one there and an old one. On the bottom, they're nice. So they're getting new life. They're probably 35, 40 years old. And they live again. These nails have been in there so long. They're so rusty. And it's raining, which is actually kind of cool because the temperature is nice and the bugs aren't bothering me. Mosquitoes are pretty bad out here. So here we are, Sunday afternoon. Next, clean up and go eat some Mexican food. But for now, the work continues.